How to activate the Gboard keyboard on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the settings of the device, and as you tap on settings of the device, scroll down to additional settings. As you tap on additional settings, here you can see the option of languages and input. Tap on languages and input, and then tap on the input methods over here. So just tap on current keyboard. So right now you can see it is toggled on for Gboard. Otherwise we have other two options of Google Voice Typing and Google Voice Typing Legacy. So just tap on Gboard and you'll be able to activate the Gboard keyboard on Xiaomi. Here you can manage your keyboards as well. So here you can just toggle on this option if you want to activate the Gboard keyboard, and if you want to activate other source of the keyboard as well, you can do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.